Imagine a planet so close, yet hiding secrets that could rewrite everything we know about our universe. We're diving into 35 mind-blowing Mars mysteries that scientists can't fully explain. Stick around to the end, because the last one might just change how you see the red planet forever. What's lurking beneath that dust could be the key to it all. Liquid water lakes were found 1.5 kilometers beneath the ice at Mars's south pole, leaving scientists stunned since no one knows how water stays liquid in such a freezing spot. Mars once had a powerful magnetic field that disappeared 4 billion years ago, and no one fully understands why it vanished so suddenly. Mars's moon, Phobos, inches 1.8 meters closer to the planet every century. In about 50 million years, it'll either smash into Mars or break apart. Tiny Deimos, on the flip side, is slowly drifting away from Mars, possibly breaking free one day. Sunsets on Mars aren't red. They take on a bluish tint because dust scatters light oddly in the atmosphere. A massive ocean once sprawled across Mars's northern hemisphere, but why it dried up is still a complete mystery. Huge volcanoes like Olympus Mons rise on Mars, all frozen stiff, though some wonder if they might still be warm deep inside. Strange spiral lines mark Mars's poles, likely shaped by wind and ice, but they haven't been fully explained. Methane gas bursts pop up in Mars's atmosphere now and then. It might hint at life or just be a geological fluke, still up for debate. Collapsed lava tubes on Mars's surface might be hiding giant ice caves underneath, waiting to be discovered. Some old rover tracks on Mars have been wiped out by dust storms, as if the planet's covering up its own history. Small chunks of Earth, carried by meteors, have landed on Mars, evidence of a trip across space between planets. Salty water streaks were spotted on Mars's surface, but where this water comes from remains a puzzle. Some craters on Mars have pitch-black bottoms that swallow light, possibly opening into deep caves no one's explored. Radars catch weird echoes beneath Mars's poles, suggesting something unknown might be buried there. Mars's poles are covered in dry ice, frozen CO2 layers. Some melt in summer, but why they don't disappear entirely is a question. Most of Mars's atmosphere slipped away into space, and scientists are still trying to figure out how it happened so fast. Radars uncovered salty lakes beneath Mars, but their depth and what's in them are still shrouded in mystery. Valles Marineris Canyon is so deep that what lies at its bottom hasn't been fully uncovered yet. Some scientists found traces of green minerals in Mars's soil, hinting at a different surface in the past. The North Pole has layers of water ice. Some think liquid water could be hiding underneath. Some craters that should be on Mars's surface are nowhere to be found. Covered by dust or erased by something else? Strange vibrations ripple under Mars's surface. They might be volcanic or something odder. No one's sure. Huge flood channels scar Mars, but how the water vanished so quickly hasn't been figured out. Volcanoes might still be active beneath Mars. Heat traces make people wonder if they're truly dormant. Phobos's low density suggests it might be hollow inside. Could it be a spaceship or just a natural oddity? Mars's soil carries a scent like wet earth, a chemical enigma that's caught scientists off guard. Old water channels crisscross Mars, but where they went is still off the map. Rocks lined up like waves stretch across some areas. Wind or water shape them, but which one's a mystery? Methane shows up and vanishes on Mars. Is it a sign of life cycling or just chemistry doing its thing? Magnetic traces linger in Mars's crust, maybe leftovers from an old magnetic field. Structures could be hiding under Mars's dust. Some even compare them to ancient city ruins. Dark patches lurk in the depths of Valles Marineris, still waiting for someone to explore them. Marks from massive ancient storms cover Mars. Some might have reshaped the planet way back when. The planet's core might still hold heat. Does this mean Mars hasn't fully cooled off yet? Thanks for watching. If you like the video and subscribe to our channel, you will be the first to know about new videos.